Hi, guys. Today I'm going to read you a book called Lost and Found. What's That Sound? And during the book, the animals are looking for their instruments. And we need to figure out what instrument it is based on how it sounds. Let's get started. Welcome to the Lost and Found, where I find my items by their sound. The thing I lost goes toot, toot, toot. I've spent all day in hot pursuit. Wonder what he's looking for. Toot, toot, toot. That's what I was looking for. My trumpet, it is lost no more. The thing I lost goes ding, ding, ding. Have you heard of such a thing? Wonder what that instrument could be. Ding, ding, ding. My triangle. You found it there. Thank you kindly, Mr. Hare. The thing I lost goes plink, plank, plunk. I play it with my big long trunk. Plink, plank, plunk. My piano! May I have it, please? I need some time to tune the keys. The thing I lost goes boom, boom, boom. Have you seen it in this room? I bet we all know which instrument this one is. Boom, boom, boom. My drum! I see you found it. Wow. Just hang on, guys. I'm ready now. At last I found the lost and found. The things I lost make many sounds, like toot, toot, ding, plink, plank, plunk, boom, boom, boom. I really need to find them soon. I hear the things you're looking for. The sounds are coming from next door. You found my things. They sound so grand. 1, 2, 3. Let's hit it, band. Toot, 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 ding, 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 pling, pling, plong. Yay. The end. I hope you guys are all doing well at home. I miss you guys so much. I'm going to put some other stories on my YouTube page too, so you can watch. Hope you enjoyed this story. See you next time for the next one.